Hey everyone, it's Lissette here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Modelones was kind enough to send me one of their PolyGel kits for review, so I am actually really excited to try this. I've never done PolyGel nails before, so like I said, I'm really excited to try this. So right when you open it up, you get this "We Communicate the World with Colors," and then this is going to be a 12 kit PolyGel set, so it comes with this little guide, a 6-watt nail lamp, 2 types of dual forms, one straight, one curved, 2 tubes of polygel, one clear, one soft pink, base and top coat, slip solution, a brush tool that has a brush on one end and a picker on the other, a 100-180 grit nail file, and then glitter with some crystals. This is what the 2 tubes of gel, well, polygel looks like. We have the clear and then that really soft pink, very pretty. So the first thing I am going to do is I'm going to start removing the shine off of my nails, and I'm going to use the 100-180 grit nail file to do this. After that, I'm going to take their base coat and I'm going to apply a thin layer to all of the nails, and then I will be curing this in their nail lamp for 60 seconds. So now I am going to get this polygel slip solution ready. I actually use the cap itself, and you don't need a lot, so I did just put a couple of drops in this little cap. And now I am going to take the pink polygel and I'm going to use the straight dual forms. I did pre-measure these forms, so what I wanted to do, I didn't want to just do a simple solid pink nail. I did want it to transition into clear, so that's what I'm trying to do now. I just took a little bit of pink and I blended it downwards, and then I added some of the clear at the tip, and then I blended the two. Every now and then I did dip my brush into that slip solution just to get it a little wet, and like I said, you don't need a lot, but it does help smooth over the surface of the polygel. This was actually really easy to work with, and I did these nails pretty fast, and I was shocked how fast I was able to do a set of nails because it usually takes me a long time. So like I said, I am actually patting it and swiping a little bit at the same time to blend the two. And after I got it how I wanted it, I placed it on my pinky, and then I did flip it underneath just to get it from the underneath side smooth and straight, and then I tried to blend it out that way. When I was happy with how the underneath side was looking, I put it in the light and I fully cured it. Once it was fully cured, I was able to wiggle the form and it ended up just popping right off. I ended up doing the same design to all of the nails, and as I was doing it, I was kind of struggling when I was trying to blend it into the clear, so I do need a little practice on it, but I think it ended up coming out cute. When I took the ring finger off, I noticed I had a good amount of gel around the cuticle area, and it was bugging me, and I really wanted to see what these nails was going to turn out to look like. So I ended up taking out the hand file and I started filing the side walls, I started filing the free edge, and I even went over the top a little where the cuticle area was. And after I ended up filing them, I did like how they was going to turn out, so I kept on going with the remaining nails, and I just did the same process with the pink builder gel. And actually at this point I just did the pink first, cured it, and then I added the clear underneath it, and I think that actually helped out with the process as well. And it was pretty fast. Like I said, it usually takes me long to do a set of nails, but these was super fast for me to complete. So after completing the nails with the dual forms, I went in with my hand file and started really shaping it to the shape that I wanted. I really wanted a narrow pinched look at the tip, so that's the look that I'm going for. So this is what the nails look like after it was filed. So now I really wanted to add these purple crystals that it came with. So there's only two types of sizes that it came with. It came with this teardrop and then a regular circle crystal. So I did add these crystals with the PolyGel clear. I added a very thin layer of the PolyGel, brushed it on, and then I added the top coat on top. And then that's when I started adding all of my crystals, and I wanted these nails to be very blingy, blinged out. So on top of adding the crystals that it came with, I did add a couple more smaller stones, the same type of those AB crystals, and I just went to town, started adding these crystals. Like I said, I wanted a lot of bling on these nails, and I think that's what really made these nails stand out. I added clear top coat on the underneath side of the nails as well, because I really wanted that tip to show through. I really wanted the tip to be that crystal clear, and then I just started curing each finger before moving on to the next. And this is what they look like. I'm actually really happy with how they turned out, and I love all of the bling. I do have a link below if you guys are interested in buying one of these Modelones PolyGel kits. As always, thank you everyone for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.